Welcome to part 2 of the Wheel of Doom series, where we use the Wheel of Doom to predict the March Madness tournament. This is part 2, where we'll be predicting the South region.
And we are starting off strong with Florida avoiding the early upset. Clemson is able to get the job done against Iowa. Vanderbilt is able to beat McNeese. Nebraska keeps our no upset streak alive by beating Troy. And then North Carolina is able to beat VCU. And Penn gives us our first upset by beating Illinois. Then St. Mary's is able to advance over Texas A&M. And Idaho pulls off the huge upset over Houston. In Florida and Clemson, Florida is able to do what one seeds do and win. In Vanderbilt and Nebraska, Nebraska gets the job done. In North Carolina and Penn, North Carolina avoids the upset. In St. Mary's and Idaho, Idaho pulls off the huge upset. Now in the Sweet 16, Florida is able to beat Nebraska. And in North Carolina, Idaho, North Carolina ends Idaho's Cinderella run. Now in the Elite 8, Florida vs. North Carolina ends with North Carolina moving on. The Wheel of Doom has set up the matchup for North Carolina to take on North Dakota State in the Final Four. Here's how the Wheel of Doom picked the South region. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see part 3.